church today, and the sermon was particularly powerful. If you live locally and you have a chance to go see Father Christian at the family service at St. Mary's on Sundays, he is unbelievable. I mean, St. Mary's is a lovely place anyway. If you're looking for a church that makes you feel like you're a part of a community, I mean, St. Mary's is unbelievable. And they love children there, which I think is tremendously indicative of a wonderful congregation when, hold that thought, they welcome families. They don't care if your kids are exuberant, aka loud. The people there love children, and that's what brought me to the church, wanting to take my kids somewhere on a Sunday, do a little family something, hear some nice messages. They have a beautiful music program at St. Mary's. I mean, it's a great place. Give it a whirl. Father Christian this morning was talking about how on the 16th, they're going to do a Eucharist, which is the music of U2 plus the Eucharist. Catholic band, when they started, I love U2. Don't we all? Love a little Bono. Bono? You know, give it a whirl. Why not? You leave, you like it, you don't go back. Could be amazing. Could be the worst thing ever. I doubt it'll be the worst thing ever because Father Christian at St. Mary's on Sundays really is just a dynamo. And you find me here in the kitchen once again. Look, I have some sprouts. Wild caught Atlantic cod. I don't know. Did you know that I'm the daughter of a fisherman? Did you know that I learned to walk on a boat? How would you know? You wouldn't until I told you right now. I learned how to walk on a boat. My dad was a commercial fisherman for many, many years. And he also never ate fish. Fun fact about most fishermen, actually, that I've met, they don't really love to eat fish. They just like to catch it. So normally on a Sunday, I would absolutely love to have a gigantic meal made by me exclusively, but I'm here in my kitchen by myself. Why? My oldest daughter got sick on her birthday. So fun. So she's resting. My youngest daughter wanted to go hang out with my mom for the rest of the day. Awesome. My oldest son has a soccer tournament this weekend. This whole weekend he's been gone with my husband. And then my little guy is also at that soccer tournament. So the family's here, there, and everywhere. And so I'm making myself a girl lunch. Girl lunch for me includes mostly fish, because that's something my family doesn't eat. But also, fun fact, I used to be like a full-on pescatarian, just a fish eater for like years. And I would still prefer to just eat fish, but it's, you know, it's demoralizing to have to cook 17 meals, different meals, every night of the week. So I do eat meat now also. You know, it's not my favorite, but every time that I make lunch for myself, it's usually fish. So I have a life hack. Did you know you can make frozen fish in the air fryer from frozen? So I was gifted an air fryer by my mother-in-law. Hi, Joan. And I thought, I'll never use that. But I use it every day. The air fryer. An undervalued thing about having lunch by yourself is silence. It's silence. Something I have very little of in my life. And you probably do too if you're a mom or you're one of the 3 other people that watch these videos, because I already know you're my friends or you're my mom. And now I'm gonna do girl salad. Hold on. Gotta get my salad stuff while my fish is cooking. Okay, girl salad for me includes pickled red onions. I mean, look at these color on those is gangbusters. Some baby arugula, a little bit of shredded red cabbage. I do typically that. And see what else I have in here. Got some leftover bacon from breakfast. A couple of zanahorias, decimos en español. Carrots, for you non-Spanish speakers. Carrots, I love you. And then I also use, hang on. Are you on a no seed oil journey in your home? I'm always on a non-seed oil journey. And if you are, but you, like me, enjoy a variety, well, these are amazing. And if you don't know the gal that started this company, her name's Alex Snodgrass. What is the name of her Instagram? I'll link it. She's amazing. I mean, she's a Texan. Already I'm in love there. Me and Texans love them. She's just like a mompreneur. 2 kids, super cool, very beautiful. I mean, very creative. Her cookbooks are great. She's rad. Check her out, Defined Dish. But this one's my favorite. The miso Caesar is incredible. And also the honey mustard one is so good.